This is Trucker Wayne with Driver Solutions. Driver Solutions has been in the business 25 years and they've helped 25,000 individuals get their CDL. You could be one of them. Check them out at greatcdltraining.com. So we have Chris that asked a really good question on my Facebook page and about truck stops and which ones are good and which ones to avoid. That's a pretty interesting question because usually a lot of the trucking companies will have certain truck stops they don't want you to go into, and you should have that list if they do have one. But you will, this is going to be just what you look for in a truck stop. A lot of people still look for the smaller truck stops and family-owned ones, which are becoming fewer and farther between. And a lot of the people love to stay at the bigger ones, the TAs, the Petros, the Loves, and the Flying J's. So they like to, stay at the bigger ones, and they have everything there that they need, and they're bigger. You'll quickly notice too, for me personally, I didn't stay at a whole lot of truck stops just because I ran and would stay in a rest stop a lot of times, or a lot of times when I was flatbedding, you would just be in these small little towns and you have to find a place to pull over legally and stop there. And I did a video on eating in a small town that I was in one time as well, just recently. So when it comes to truck stops, you're going to learn very quickly. When you first get out there, you may want to stop at just the bigger ones, so it's familiarity, because things are coming at you so fast. But my GPS gave me all of the truck stops. When I got one that I'd see it on there and it wasn't a major one, I'd always give a call when I could legally, ask them, hey, are you truck stop? And they would confirm, and then you could ask them how many spots they have, and just ask them a few questions like when they get filled up. But when you're going cross country, that's one thing too. When you get on the East Coast as well, New Jersey did a lot. I've delivered at every major city except for New York City. I don't want anything to do with New York City. But yeah, when you get on the East Coast, boy, there were times when you have to pay to park out there too, and I paid it, and you just grin and bear it, and you do it because it is so tough to park on some of the big cities on the East Coast. Trip planning on truck stops out there. It'll pay huge dividends, okay? This is Trucker Wayne with Driver Solutions with the positive path to trucking success. Check my Facebook page out at Trucker Wayne, and I'm out.